Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish sinigang soup. We will start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh fish, such as salmon or snapper, and a selection of vegetables like radish, okra, and long beans. Don't forget your souring agent, which is typically tamarind, along with fish sauce, green chilies, and 1 medium onion. Next, let's create the heart of our sinigang, the broth. Start by boiling approximately 6 cups of water with your sliced onions. Once boiling, add the tamarind paste or fresh pods and let them simmer until they are nice and soft. Then, gently mash the tamarind to release its wonderful sourness before straining out the pulp. Finally, season your broth with fish sauce to taste. Now it's time to add our main components. Carefully place your fish into the simmering broth and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring it's just done. Then, introduce the harder vegetables, like radish, cooking them for a few minutes before adding the softer ones, such as okra and long beans. Simmer everything together until the vegetables are tender crisp, which usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. For the grand finale, stir in your green chilies if you enjoy a little heat. Give your sinigang a final taste and adjust the seasoning with more fish sauce or tamarind to achieve your perfect balance of flavors. Serve this comforting soup immediately, piping hot, alongside a generous portion of steamed white rice. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a squeeze of calamansi adds a lovely finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.